Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Subaru Forester, one of the most reliable and versatile compact SUVs on the market. With its reputation for ruggedness, advanced safety features, and all-weather capability, the Forester has been a go-to choice for families and adventure enthusiasts alike. In this latest iteration, Subaru has taken things up a notch with new tech, improved efficiency, and even more comfort. Before we get into the details, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting reviews. Let's get started. The 2025 Subaru Forester is powered by a 2.5-liter flat-4-boxer engine that produces 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a Lineartronic CVT continuously variable transmission and Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive AWD system, ensuring excellent traction and stability on any surface. For those looking for a little extra power, Subaru also offers a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine option, which pumps out 260 horsepower, making it perfect for those who want more spirited performance. Both engines offer smooth acceleration, impressive fuel economy, and the ability to handle both city streets and off-road trails with ease. One of the Forester's standout features is its off-road capability. Thanks to its AWD system and 8.7 inches of ground clearance, the Forester can tackle dirt roads, snowy conditions, and even rocky trails with confidence. Subaru has also equipped the Forester with X mode, which optimizes the drivetrain and brakes for low traction conditions like mud or snow. Whether you're heading to the mountains or exploring remote trails, the Forester ensures a safe and enjoyable ride. On the exterior, the 2025 Subaru Forester combines a rugged design with modern aesthetics. The front end features bold LED headlights, a restyled grille, and a sleek bumper design. The sharp lines along the sides and muscular fenders give it a sporty yet robust look. Roof rails come standard, making it easy to mount gear like bikes, kayaks, or a rooftop cargo box. The Forester also offers a variety of striking color options, including crystal white pearl, horizon blue pearl, and autumn green metallic, ensuring there's a style for every taste. Step inside, and the 2025 Forester greets you with a spacious and comfortable cabin. The interior is designed with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and intuitive controls. It offers seating for up to 5 passengers, with plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows. The rear seats can be folded flat to provide up to 74.2 cubic feet of cargo space, making it perfect for hauling camping gear, groceries, or luggage for a weekend getaway. Premium trims add luxurious touches like leather upholstery, a heated steering wheel, and power-adjustable seats for ultimate comfort. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Subaru Forester is loaded with features to keep you connected and entertained on the road. The centerpiece is the 11.6-inch Starlink infotainment system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. A wireless charging pad is available, and higher trims come with a Harman Kardon premium audio system, delivering crisp and immersive sound. With multiple USB ports and Bluetooth connectivity, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Safety is a top priority in the Forester, and the 2025 model comes with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology as standard. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, lane keeping assist, and lane centering. Additionally, the Forester is equipped with rear automatic braking, a 360-degree camera system, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. With these advanced safety systems, the Forester offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. For those who love efficiency, the 2025 Subaru Forester doesn't disappoint. The standard 2.5-liter engine offers an impressive fuel economy of 29 mpg combined, 26 city 33 highway, while the turbocharged engine still manages a respectable 25 mpg combined, 23 city 30 highway. With a 16.6-gallon fuel tank, the Forester provides excellent range, allowing you to cover long distances without frequent stops. The Forester is available in multiple trims, including base, premium, sport, wilderness, limited, and touring. The wilderness trim is specifically designed for adventure seekers, featuring enhanced off-road tires, additional underbody protection, and a unique rugged look. Meanwhile, the touring trim offers all the luxury you could ask for, with features like ventilated front seats, a heated rear seat, and exclusive interior accents. Pricing for the 2025 Subaru Forester starts at around $28,000 for the base model and goes up to approximately $39,000 for the fully loaded touring trim. Considering its all-around capability, advanced safety features, and spacious interior, the Forester offers excellent value for a compact SUV. It's a great choice for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a dependable and versatile vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Subaru Forester continues to be a standout in the compact SUV segment. With its powerful engine options, all-weather capability, advanced technology, and impressive safety features, it's a vehicle that can handle anything life throws at it. Whether you're commuting to work, taking the kids to school, or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the Forester is ready to tackle it all with confidence and style. Thank you for tuning in to Crazy Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the latest cars and SUVs. See you in the next video, and happy driving!